Hello everyone, it's me Sidra from Yellow Light and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a lot of you still don't know that H&M has a beauty line. So I got one of their products which I'm going to review today. So I have their eyeshadow palette which looks really cool. I love the packaging. Look at this. So if you see from afar, it looks like a cell phone. Hello. The packaging is so luxurious. Look at that. It's really thin and I love the feel of it. So there's a very tiny H&M logo in the middle. Baki, it's all black. So this is their smoky nude eyeshadow palette and it retails for $15, which is not that bad. This comes in the category of affordable makeup. So let's see how it looks from the inside. This is how you open it. Ooh. And you get all of these nude shades. I always wanted a cool toned eyeshadow palette for everyday use and I saw this and I thought I should give this brand a try. So 5 of them are matte and 3 are shimmers. So this is a very basic palette. I think all of the colors complement each other and we can create a lot of everyday looks from this palette. Let's try this out. Off camera I have applied some concealer on my lids. So now let's jump into this. I would like to go for a matte look, but just for the sake of trying I will use all of these. Let's take a fluffy brush. So I'm going to take this shade. Yes, I can already see the pigment on the brush. So these are categorized as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So I just took the shade B. So I am using it as the transition shade. Ooh, it has a nice pigment. It has a really nice pigment. So I am putting it all over my eyelid. You can see the difference. The color is really nice. It is applying beautifully. It is not chunky. Let's do the same on the other eye. I like to do both of my eyes side by side. Like if I apply one shade on this, I'll do the same on the other because I keep forgetting things and that's my problem. So the transition shade is on. Let's move on to the next step. I think I'll go with this shade H. I'll just give more dimension to the crease and some over here, just like that. Yes, these are very pigmented. Can you see the difference? It is already looking so good. Now I would like to soften the transition shade with this shade, the F shimmer shade, on top of my transition in the inner corner. Ooh, it is looking so good. It's like a gray shade with a little bit of shimmer. It doesn't have a heavy shimmer. This is a very soft sort of shimmer and I love it. Now let's take this G shade and make the outer corner more intense. Just over here, I'm going to smoke out a little bit, just like this. Here as well. Now I'm going to take this G shade again and applying it on the lower lash line, very closer to my lower lash line, just like this. Now I'm going to diffuse this shadow with this one, the transition shade that we have used in the very beginning. For the fun part, I'm going to take this shade, this matte shade A, right in the middle. I'm taking that A shade and applying it in the middle and in the inner corner. I want to stop it here, but just for the sake of trying, I want to try this shade. I should just use my fingers. Here it is. Oh, it's very pretty. It just have this sparkle in it, just like the Fenty Diamond Bomb. I wanted to use this all over my lid. Oh, it is giving really nice sparkles. Now I'm taking this shade with my fingers and applying it in the middle. Ooh, this is giving more pigment with the finger. I think some shadows are best applied with fingers. Now I'm taking this shade again, this one C. It has a really nice glitter, very precise glitter in it. You can see the sparkle. I can't get over this. This is beautiful. For the last step, I'm going to take this shade for the winged eyeliner. It's called D. Let's see. Now I'm going to clean up a little bit from here with the concealer. So for this look, I am thinking to add the beige eyeliner in the waterline. So this is the eye look without a mascara. Let me add the mascara and show you the final result, how it looks. So this is how it looks with the mascara, and I think I love it. From the packaging to the shades to the color payoff, everything was great. I loved the shades as they complement each other. It has a mirror, and the packaging is really nice and compact. It's very sleek and luxurious. I think it is not that heavy on pocket, and these are the shades everyone should must have. Other than that, there was no fallout, and the colors applied very smoothly and they were blendable. I don't know about the other products as I haven't tried those, but this is so good. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video.